Stephanie with Beach Bliss. I wanted to give you a quick tour of the room that I'm staying in here at Dorado Seaside Suites. It's equipped with a beautiful king size bed. As you can see, it's got a nice flat screen TV, a really cozy round sofa for you to relax on, maybe an afternoon nap. You can see there is an ability to have a connecting door there if you wish. Spin around here. It's got a nice little nook, a table that would be great for having breakfast or lunch, room service, even dinner if you decide to. It's got it nice and cool in here with air conditioning. Down here there is a mini bar. I'll show you what's inside. Your mini bar is stocked with snacks, sodas, water. There's some Dos Equis, Coors Light, Tecate, Heineken. Looks like some juice in there. So you've got plenty of snacks. They do restock that for you daily. I'll give you a look inside the bathroom. It also is equipped with a safe, robes, slippers. Check out this bathroom. It's got really tall ceilings, double sinks. Highlight for me is that nice big soaking tub, jacuzzi tub. Got a nice little privacy glass there between you and the bedroom. It does have a separate shower with a rain shower head up above, as well as a separate toilet room. So it's really comfortable for two people to use this particular bathroom. And I'll take you on a quick look out the balcony next. Stay tuned for that. All right, as promised, it's time to take a look at the really cool balcony feature here at the Dorado Seaside Suites. I'm actually on the 4th floor, and all of the rooms in this tower are ocean view, with the exception of the lower level rooms, the swim up suites. I want you to check it out. Even though I'm on the 4th floor, I actually have a swim up. How cool is this? So no matter which floor you're on, you have access through a little gate here. You just slide that open. And then you've got your step, and you can take a dip right into your swim-up pool and enjoy the view from your water balcony, if you will. It's morning time, the sun's coming up. It's going to be a pretty sunny day. I couldn't wait to show you this really cool feature. The balcony is also equipped with a great little napping bed or reading bed. Couple of chairs, really trendy tree stump painted silver. It's very spacious. Definitely plenty of room out here for you to enjoy room service, read a book, play on your iPad, or maybe take a nap. And of course, you've got the option to have a little swim if you'd like as well.